Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharmaceutical Concepts. In this particular question, we have to find out the molar absorptivity. Let us look at the question first. Caffeine has UV absorption maximum at 272 nanometers, means this is the lambda max of caffeine, that is 272 nanometers. The 0.1316 grams of this drug was dissolved in enough water to make 1 liter. Okay, so 0.1316 grams of caffeine is dissolved in 1000 ml, that is 1 liter of the water. Exactly 10 ml of the solution was diluted to 100 ml. So from this 10 ml is been withdrawn and diluted to 100 ml, and the absorbance of this solution in 1 centimeter cell at 272 nanometers was 0.854. So here the absorbance is 0.854. Okay, what will be the molar absorptivity? Okay, to calculate molar absorptivity, we have A is equal to ABC. So when this equation, that is Beer's law equation, this is the absorptivity. Since we have to calculate molar absorptivity, it is better that our concentration is in terms of moles per liter. Okay, so absorbance we know, that is 0.854. Concentration we will calculate now. I mean, we know the amount of drug which is there in the solvent. Okay, so concentration of this 100 ml we will calculate, that we will write here in terms of moles per liter, and simply just we can calculate the A, that is molar absorptivity. Okay, let us see. Okay, so since this is 0.1316 grams in 1000 ml, okay, so let me calculate number of moles, that is weight upon molecular weight, and molecular weight is provided in the question, that is 194.2, and weight in grams is this. Okay, this is in grams. Okay, so this answer comes out to be 6.7765 into 10 raised to minus 4 moles. Okay, these are the moles per liter. Okay, so simply by m1 v1 equals to m2 v2. Okay, so quickly I will write here the dilution. Okay, now let us see. From 6.7765 into 10 raised to minus 4 moles. Okay, this concentration is the concentration of this solution. Okay, so from this solution I am withdrawing 10 ml. Okay, from this solution, this is the concentration, this is the molarity I have written here, M. Okay, this is M which I have calculated here. So from this I have withdrawn 10 ml. Okay, what is this 10 ml? This V1. Okay, and I have diluted it to this 100 ml. So that 100 ml volume, that is the V2 I am writing here. So what is the molarity of this solution? So I am calculating molarity of this solution by this formula, M1 V1 M2 V2. Okay, this M2, that is the concentration, that is 6.7765 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by into 10 divided by 100. So this answer is coming as 6.7765 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, so this, what is this M2? This M2 is nothing but the concentration in moles per liter. Okay, now that concentration I will substitute in Beer's law. Absorbance we know, 854, 0.854. Absorptivity I want to calculate. B is 1 and this C is 6.7765 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, so this absorptivity is coming out to be 0.127023 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, so I will write it as 0 0.128 into 10 raised to 5, because 1.28 is given in the answer, so I have just converted it for the simplicity, and this is 1.28 into 10 raised to 4. Okay, so this is the molar absorptivity which we are getting. So if you do not want to do this by M1, V1, M2, V2, we have another way also to solve this problem. Let us see that. So we will first calculate the concentration, that is 0.1316 grams added in 1000 ml, right? Now from this 1000 ml I am removing 10 ml. So 1000 ml में 0.1316 grams, so 10 ml में कितना? Okay, so that 10 ml contains, okay, 0.01316 grams in 10 ml. Now this 10 ml I am dissolving in 100 ml. Okay, so I am just diluting it to 100 ml. Okay, but in 100 ml the amount remains the same. Okay, amount of drug remains the same because I'm just diluting it, right? So 100 ml में इतना drug है, तो 1000 ml में drug कितना, because I want to convert it into liter. Okay, so 100 ml contains 0.001316 grams, तो 1000 ml में how much drug? Okay, so that comes out to be 1316 grams. Okay, now to calculate this molar concentration, okay, what I have to do, weight in grams per liter divided by molecular weight. So that is this weight in grams per liter, that is 0.01316. okay, this is grams in liter, 1000 ml is 1 liter. Okay, divided by molecular weight which is provided in the question. So this also comes out to be 0.677 into 10 raised to minus 4. Same. Okay, and ultimately we will substitute this concentration in A is equal to ABC. Okay, so this we have seen. B is 1 and C is 0.677 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, so this is how A comes out to be 1.28 into 10 raised to 4. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can always write in the comment section. I will be glad to clarify your doubts. Thank you very much. Happy learning. Bye.